Hello and welcome to the demonstration of File Browser application. This File Browser app basically is a user-friendly application used to browse through not only the SD card of your phone but also the file system. It helps you perform a number of operations on files and folders such as cut, copy, paste, rename, properties, delete, etc. Besides that, you can also send across, access files and folders on remote machines or phones using a secure FTP connection. On top of the screen, you can see the horizontal bar wherein all the options are listed. With home, you have the option of choosing between the file system or the root and the SD card. When you go to search, you can search for a particular file or folder inside the SD card or the current directory, I should say. Then you have the option of toggling between grid view and the list view. This shows the list view, and here we have the grid view. This button basically shows the one step up uh, uh, directory. Now there is because it cannot go back to the directory. Let me go inside this sunset. So one level up, we come back to the SD card. Now here we have an option of creating a new file or a folder. So for example, I want to create a new folder. Folder has been created, coder123. Let me take you to other options. Here we have the back and moving across back and forth option, back and forward. Then we have the sorting option, wherein you can sort the folders according to your liking based on the name, size, date and type in an ascending or a descending order. So I want to sort them by name in an ascending order. So here we have the folders being arranged in an ascending order based on the name. These two folders, C coder 123 and DSIM, because they start with the uppercase letters C and D respectively, so they come before the ACS folder. If I rename this folder, CODER 123, you can see the folder has been renamed as DVLP56. Now if I want to sort the folders out here based on name in a descending order, you can see the folders are sorted out in a descending order based upon the names. Now besides these options, there is an option of sending across or accessing files on a remote machine using a secure FTP connection. The upper half of the screen shows the local machine and the lower half shows the remote machine. Now these are the files on the remote machine. Here also I can do operations on the folder, rename it, delete it, check out the properties or download it to my local end. Now let me check the properties of this folder. Here it shows the name, size, files, directories, last modified date. Okay. If I want to download this file to my local end, I'll just press and hold this application and put in download. You can see the file being moved from the remote end to the local end. These options are for the first option is for moving one level up. Like if I move inside this folder, now moving back or one level up, I can do that using this option. This new is for creating a new file or folder, and this disconnect actually disconnects my remote machine from my phone. So here I disconnect, it shows disconnected successfully. Back. Here this is the browser.apk file that I downloaded from my remote machine. Now I want to install this application on my phone. I could zip this. Oh, this shows me the option to install. You want to install this application? Install. Application installed successfully. Now I want to see the installed application. Here this application shows these folders. Exploring other options on top of this screen. Here it shows the option of cut and paste. Let me move inside this folder. Now I select this image. I want to copy it. So here you can see the image being pasted on the desired location. Apart from this feature, we have the application manager here, which shows all the applications that are pre-installed or newly installed in your phone. You can check out the memory they are uh, they are capturing, or the size, and the cache memory. What is the size of the data, cache memory, default locations. All the information regarding the application is here, so you can just go through these applications using the application manager. This is the file browser application we just installed from using the file on the remote machine. The last two options on this bar, this icon with the question marks is actually a help file containing the detailed description of the application. What are the features of the application, how to go about it, what all that you can do with this application. And the last option shows the about us page, about the team that has developed this application from Media Technologies. So this basic application is useful because Android by itself does not provide any file browsing option, uh, neither browsing through the file system or nor through the SD card. So using this application you can explore, access the file systems and the SD card on your phone. I hope you like the demo and would download the application. Thank you.